This is one of the 6 thinking hats, the white hat. So what does it mean? Well, the idea here is that we had one of these great professors and an author whose name is Edward de Bono. And Edward de Bono thought about the different ways that the human beings think at. And he found out that sometimes we just think in many different ways at the same time, which will lead eventually that we will not be able to solve the problem that we are thinking about. So he decided that we have different ways of thinking, okay, and the best way to come up with a solution is that we think in one way at a time. So for example, now let's say the white hat, okay? So the white hat here represents the facts. So now I have a problem I need to think about, and the first thing I should be thinking about, for example, is the facts. What are the facts of this problem? What do I know about it that everybody else would agree with me about it? For example, if we're talking about pollution here, so what are the facts that we have about pollution in our neighborhood? For example, we have a lot of trash inside the area, okay? We have a lot of people or a lot of factories that are, having a lot of smoke that doesn't help us to breathe. So these are facts, because when we say there are trash here, everybody can see that there are trash. Okay, and when we say that there are 5 factories here that are not healthy and they are releasing all of this smoke into the air, so this is a fact. Everybody can see that there are 5 factories. So one of the 6 thinking ways of thinking is to think about the facts and nothing else, because you'll find that there are different things that we can think about, and usually when we think about facts and then we change it into feelings and then we change it into something else, like without being organized, you'll find that usually we cannot find a solution to our problem. So in the first, and one more thing to notice here is that start with the hat that seems more suitable, because sometimes you start with the white and sometimes you start with the red, and you will start with different hats every time.